First of all, I want to wish you all a very happy new year, and I wish this year brings good things for you, and you work hard and you achieve whatever you people want to achieve. So all the best to you all. Now let's begin with the class grade 5. So as we are going to start with a new chapter, the chapter number 8, Prairies, the Grassy Plains. Till the time your other classmates are joining the class, you can open the chapter on the page number 58. Now chapter is 8, Prairies, the Grassy Plains. So first of all, we have a get going here. So who will read that for me? Kindly raise your hand, one of you. Okay. Let's, Samriddhi. Samriddhi, can you kindly unmute yourself? Yes. Samriddhi, can you read that? Get going.
Ishan was fascinated about the new cowboy hat that his father gifted him. He asked his father, "Why is this hat known as cowboy hat?" These hats were originally worn by the cowboys of prairie grasslands of North America. His father answered. Ishan wanted to know more about cowboys and prairies.
Samriddhi. So here the word comes grasslands, and we will talk about the grasslands of the continent North America. Which continent? The North America. So here's a boy named called Ishan. He is talking about a hat. That why this hat is known as a cowboy hat, which was gifted by his father to him. So these hats were originally worn by the cowboys of the prairies. So what we said कि ये जो hats हैं ये कौन wear करता था commonly ज़्यादातर grasslands, the prairies जो हमारा chapter का name है बच्चा prairies. There is a grassland in a continent North America. Ishan wanted to know more about the prairies and the cowboys. Now, as you also might be want to know about more prairies and the cowboys, so let's begin with that. So in the last chapter, as you already know that we have talked about the land of a sand. That is the land which is covered with a golden stretch of sand with a hardly any greenery. Who will let me know which chapter was that? Harshil? कौन सा chapter था हमारा? बच्चा, let me know. Harshil, kindly unmute yourself. The land of sand.
Ma'am, Saudi Arabia.
Very good. Yes, the Saudi Arabia. ठीक है, वो हमारा chapter था the land of sand. Now this chapter is all about the grasslands. So let's begin with it. So we are going to learn about the entirely covered with the green grasses. The land will be covered here with the green grass. यहाँ पे जो सारी land है वो किससे covered है? Grass के साथ. The prairies of the North America. Now grasslands. So green grass means grassland means सारा जो land है वो किससे covered है? Grass के साथ. अगर बच्चा if you are having any doubt, then kindly raise your hand. Now lower down your hands. When you are having a doubt, that time you can raise your hand so that I come to know कि आपको कोई अगर चीज नहीं समझ आएगी तो आप अपने hand raise कर लो. ठीक है? Yes, Anant, बच्चा कोई है doubt? Riddhima, if there is no doubt, kindly lower down your hands. Sahaj as well. Yes, Sarah. Kindly unmute yourself. Ask me. Yes.
Excuse me, मैम आपकी जो वॉइस है ना मैम वो कट कट के आ रही है.
My voice, I'm not audible to others as well. The same problem everybody is facing.
कट कट के आ रही है.
Wait a minute. Might be Ara. My network is not that good or might be your. I allow you to ask me. Ma'am audible है कि नहीं है सबको? Please मुझे पहले ये बता दीजिए.
Ma'am, audible. Ma'am, audible.
मैम ऑडिबल.
Ma'am, audible.
मैम ऑडिबल कट रही है.
ओके बच्चा थोड़ा सा इंटरनेट कनेक्शन का कई बार प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. माइट बी एट माय एंड और माइट बी एट योर एंड. सो वो थोड़ा सा आपको बेटे एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा सा आप देख लेना, अगर कहीं पे ज्यादा होगी प्रॉब्लम जस्ट लेट मी नो और यू कैन ट्राई टू रीजॉइन द क्लास. हाँ जी हार्दिक.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of enormous?
Yes, Hardik, I'll come on that word also. Give me a minute. Let's read it first, then I'll let you know the meaning of that word also. Okay, so grassland covers more than 1/5 of the Earth's land surface. So, कितना land surface cover किया हुआ है हमारे grasslands ने? 1/5. These are anonymous and flat plains. Now, the word comes anonymous means huge, बड़ा, a large area. It means huge. A huge area of the Earth's surface is covered with the grassland. You can write it down. The meaning of the word means large area. A large area. Anonymous means a large area is covered with the grass. I hope this is clear to now everybody. And the flat plains of the grass with very few trees and the bushes. So there are very few trees. Few trees मतलब बहुत ही कम trees हैं और थोड़े बहुत यहाँ हैं bushes. Okay? Most of area is covered with the grass. Only few trees you can saw there and bushes. I hope this is clear till now, everybody. Yes, Hardik. And please everyone kindly turn on your cameras. Hardik, still any doubt? You have raised your hand.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone camera should be on. Make sure. Next, come here. Most of the grasslands are located in the temperate zone. So जो ज़्यादातर grasslands है वो कहाँ पे locate करते हैं? Temperate zone. Did you remember the zones we have already done? There were different zones. हमने किए हुए हैं अगर आपको याद हो. Who will let me know? Drishti? Can you let me know? Did you remember that? The different zones. Manan, kindly unmute yourself. Okay.
Ma'am,
Torrid zone.
ma'am,
Very
torrid,
good.
frigid, and temperate.
Very good. So torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. So here, what they have told us that the most of the grasslands are located in which zone? The temperate zone. So आपको ये पता होना चाहिए. This can come in the form of MCQ. Most of the grasslands of the countries are located in which zone? So you should be aware that is in a temperate zone. That is between 23° half north and 66° half also in north in the northern hemisphere, and 23° in the south and 66.5° also in the south, that is in the southern hemisphere. ये जो हमारे हमने already zone का जो diagram अगर आपको याद हो बच्चा we have already done, so these things have already been discussed there also. Now next thing comes here. Further, they have said that these grasslands are known by different names in the different parts of the world. अब हमारे पास और भी बहुत सारे continents हैं. We have the different continents such as Australia, we have South America. Different continents में वो different names के द्वारा जाना जाता है. ठीक है? They are known by the different names in the different continents. Like in North America, this is Prairies. North America में उसको Prairies बोला जाता है. Now, whereas South America में we call it Pampas. The grassland name called Pampas is in a South America. And there will be a map work in this chapter. So when you start coming to the school in our offline classes, do bring a map, the world map. Everybody, please kindly note once. When you start coming for our offline classes, don't forget to bring the world map. It can be either physical or political one, and we will mark these different grasslands in the map. I hope this is clear to everybody. Okay, let's continue. So Pampas in South America, steppes. It is known as steppes. That's in Russia. This is called in Russia. Steppes in Russia. Now the third one, we have downs. That's in Australia. Downs in Australia. In Australia, the grasslands were known as downs. Sorry. Further, we have wells in South Africa. In South Africa, we called it wells. Wells. W-E-L-V in South Africa. And prairies in North America. So these are the major grasslands which we are going to locate in the map. So you should be aware. I hope this is clear to everybody. Yes, Ridhima, any doubt? Ridhima, you are allowed to unmute yourself. Kindly unmute. Yes, Harshal, any doubt, beta?
Ma'am, no.
Okay. So these are the major grasslands which we are going to locate in the world map. Pampas in South America, steppes in Russia, then we have downs in Australia and veldt in South Africa, and prairies which we are going to discuss in detail, that is in the North America. I hope till here it's clear to everybody. यहाँ तक बेटे सबको क्लियर है? अगर कोई डाउट है तो काइंडली रेज योर हैंड if you have any doubt. Otherwise, I can move to the next one. So, as there is no doubt, so let's move to next. So, let's talk about the location and the extent. So, we are going to discuss in detail about the prairies. उसकी location क्या है और वो कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? What is the extent? उसका extent क्या है? Let's talk about that. Location and extent. So now further, the prairies are vast grasslands located in North America. Prairie. Now what is the meaning of word prairie? Prairie is a French word which means a meadow or a grassland. It means the word is a grassland. Just give me a minute, everyone. Okay, sorry to interrupt a bit. So prairies means a meadow or a grassland. Prairies word का मतलब क्या है? Meadow or a grassland. जो कि जगह जिसपे सिर्फ आपको grass ही grass दिखेगा. That means a grassland. I hope this is clear. And this word is taken from the French word. कौन से word से ये लिया गया है? French word. Is it clear? Yes, Sandhya, any doubt? Kindly unmute yourself. Hanji, Sandhya. You can speak, bacha. You have already unmute yourself. Yes, Hardik. अगर आपका बेटे माइक का इशू हो रहा है, हार्दिक जस्ट अ मिनट, अगर बेटे माइक की कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो आप चैट में भी लिख सकते हो अपना डाउट. I'll read it from there. हाँ जी हार्दिक बोलिए बेटे.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of vast and meadow?
बेटे meadow means grassland or means same. ठीक है, meadow मतलब grassland, vast मतलब बहुत बड़ा, huge. जैसे हमने पहले ही बोला है, these are the anonymous and flat plains, large areas covered with the grass. Vast. Isn't it clear, Hardik, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these grasslands are located in the interiors of the continent of the North America. Now there is a map given there of the temperate zone. You can see this. Can you kindly observe this from your books, everybody? You can see how much of the area is covered with the grassland, the green. So how we are going to show that this area is a grassland by using the green color. So we are going to highlight that much portion with the green color when we do the map work as well now. So you can see it clearly. I hope this is visible to everybody, and even you have your own books, so you can observe this. संध्या बेटे आप ऑडिबल नहीं हो, आप अपना डाउट चैट में लिख सकते हो. I'll read it from there, dear. So you can observe this. These are the different continents. Here we have the different grasslands. You can see here also. When you be back in the school, that time I'll tell you more clearly in offline classes. Golden stretched, Sandhya, golden, the sand color looks like a golden. Its color is golden, so that's why the land of the sand. So golden stretched of our chapter Saudi Arabia. I hope now this is clear. सोने जिसको हम कहते हैं सोना, क्योंकि उसका कलर वैसा है गोल्डन. Ma'am, what is the meaning of interiors? Interiors of North America मतलब कि North America के जो एक कॉन्टिनेंट है उसके बीच में है क्या है? Prairies. Interiors. हम कहते हैं ना इंटीरियर ऑफ हाउस, अपने घर के अंदर की डेकोरेशन. दिस इज prairies. Continents, as I told you so many times, आपको continents हमेशा याद रखने हैं, then only it will be easy for you कि आपको याद रहेगा कौन सी चीज कहाँ पे है. So this is prairies, the North America. I hope this is clear. Here easily one easy one. Australia में हमारा downs. Here we have a downs in Australia. So you can observe this map. This is रशिया, और उसमें आता है हमारा ये स्टेप्स आता है रशिया और एशिया के बीच में. So steps will be here. So you can observe these things, and when you be back in offline classes, that time we will do the map with more clarity. Now, any other doubt, anyone? So the location is clear to everybody. So where the prairies located in the interiors of the continent of North America, they are situated wholly in the northern hemisphere. They are surrounded by the Rocky Mountains in the west and the Great Lakes in the east. उसकी west की direction में क्या है? Surrounded. उसके आसपास जो grasslands हैं उनके आसपास क्या है, और उन्होंने हमें वो बताया, और उन्होंने दो locations की बात की है. One is the west, other one is the east. वेस्ट में क्या है? हमारे रॉकी माउंटेन्स, ठीक है, और हमारे ईस्ट में क्या है? ग्रेट लेक्स हैं, द वाटर बॉडीज जिसको हम कहते हैं. हाँ जी अनहद.
मैम इंडिया में कोई ग्रासलैंड नहीं है?
इंडिया में ऐसा सच नहीं है. एशिया और रशिया के बीच में आता है. वो जब आप स्कूल आओगे ना तब आपको बेटे मैं मोर क्लियरली समझा पाऊंगी बुक्स की हेल्प के साथ. उसको यूरेशिया बोलते हैं. ये जो हमारा ग्रासलैंड है ना, सी लुक हियर, इसको हम यूरेशिया भी बोलते हैं क्योंकि एशिया कुछ इसका पोर्शन एशिया में आता है. सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज आल्सो नोन एज यूरेशिया. सम पार्ट इज इन रशिया, सम पार्ट इज इन एशिया, सो इट इज आल्सो नोन एज यूरेशिया. ठीक है, दैट आई विल क्लियर मोर व्हेन वी विल डू द मैप वर्क. दैट टाइम यू विल गेट मोर क्लैरिटी ऑफ दिस. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर नाउ. Now let's go further. So as I told you, in the west the grasslands are surrounded with the Rocky Mountains, whereas in the east they are surrounded with the Great Lakes. So they stretch from Canada in the North America up to Mexico in the south. So basically जो उसका stretch है वो क्या है? Canada to Mexico, और उन्होंने locations भी दी हुई है. So that is given there. So इसका जो stretch है, अगर आपको पूछा जाए what is the stretch of the prairies, so that is from Canada to Mexico along with its direction. Canada in the north up to Mexico in the south. So this is in the north and this is in the south. This is clear? I allow everyone to unmute. Just give me a minute. So you just let me know. You are allowed to unmute yourself. Let me know. This is clear till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The portion and the extent is clear to everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So should we go further?
Yes. Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Discuss further.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move further. So further they said that thus you can see that they are almost midway between the equator and the North Pole. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो ये कहीं ना कहीं मिडवे में आता है, ठीक है, बीच में. मिडवे मींस बीच में, किसके? इक्वेटर एंड नॉर्थ पोल. जस्ट सी इट केयरफुली फ्रॉम योर बुक्स. आपकी बुक में बच्चे सारे ये किए हुए हैं शो ग्रासलैंड्स. जस्ट ऑब्जर्व दिस वन, द प्रेरीज. So thus, this is what they said in the last line. Thus, you can see that they are almost midway between the equator and the North Pole. Now, next we have the land features. As in the South Arabia, the land of sand, maybe हमारे land features थे. The land is covered with the sand. Okay, so here also they have some features of the land, the prairies, especially the grasslands. इनके कुछ common जो features हैं through which you come to know that this area is a grassland. Now, what are those features? Let's talk about that. So, land features, the prairies are spread over endless plains. जो प्रेरीज है वो हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा हुआ है कि इसने ह्यूज एरिया कवर किया हुआ है अर्थ सरफेस पे, ठीक है. सो द सेम मीनिंग हियर इज द प्रेरीज आर स्प्रेड मींस फैले हुए हैं ओवर द एंडलेस प्लेन्स. ओवर द एंडलेस प्लेन्स one can see clearly up to many kilometers without any obstruction. आप बिना किसी रुकावट या बिना किसी बीच में हडल के आप क्लियरली देख सकते हो किस चीज को? ग्रासलैंड्स को, जहां पे आप सिर्फ घास ही घास देखोगे, सिर्फ ग्रास ही देखोगे, ठीक है, ऑन द प्लेन एरियाज. These grasslands are watered by the river Mississippi and Missouri. Now two rivers here comes. ये दो रिवर्स का बहुत मेजर रोल है इसमें. टू रिवर्स आपको पता होनी चाहिए कौन सी हैं जो कि पानी देती हैं इन ग्रासलैंड्स को. दे आल्सो वाटर्ड बाय द रिवर्स मिसिसिपी एंड मिसूरी. दीज आर द टू रिवर्स. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड प्लीज इसको याद रखना. दिस कैन बी आस्क्ड टू यू इन 2 मार्क्स आल्सो. राइट द नेम्स ऑफ टू मेजर रिवर्स. ये दो मेजर रिवर्स हैं मिसिसिपी एंड मिसूरी. So the two major rivers which provide the water to the prairies grassland, that is Mississippi and Missouri. These two are the major rivers. Hanji Hardik, unmute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am. Water means, ma'am, इन दो rivers की वजह से ही prairies में water जाता है.
जी हाँ जी, ये दो नदियां हैं जो prairies एरिया में पानी देती हैं, प्रोवाइड करती हैं.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji Arav, kindly unmute yourself.
मैम एक बार ये प्रोनाउंसिएशन फिर से बोल दो दोनों रिवर्स की.
Mississippi and Missouri. Mississippi and Missouri. इसके स्पेलिंग का ध्यान रखना. इसमें आपके डबल एस मींस आपके टोटल 4 एस आने. इसके स्पेलिंग्स में मोस्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स गड़बड़ करते हैं. वो वन टाइम लिखते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम. इसके स्पेलिंग्स थोड़े से यूनिक हैं. बी केयरफुल विद दैट. ठीक है जी. So the two rivers, and here you can also write a question, extra question. Write down everybody. Name main rivers of prairies. The question for this will be name main rivers. Name. These are the two main or major rivers. You can also say that. Name main two rivers of prairies. इसकी बात कर रहे हैं हम prairies. इसकी दो जो मेन रिवर्स है वो कौन सी है? मिसिसिपी एंड मिजूरी। ये आप बुक में ही बेटे लिख लो, उसके साथ ही आपका आंसर हो। Till here it's clear everybody? I will not go further. Let's recapitalize. जितना हमने अभी तक किया है उसको रिवाइज कर लें. Next, in the next class, we will talk about the climate of prairies and the other things like the vegetation and the wildlife. We will talk about these things in the next class. Now let's recapitalize. और वो आप करेंगे. Let's start from Manan. Manan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me about prairie? Like what are?
Ma'am, prairies are the grassland in North America.
Very good. The word prairie
ma'am,
is taken from which word?
Ma'am, French that
Yes,
means
French.
meadow or grassland.
Yes, meadows or a grassland, which means the meadows or a grassland. Thank you, Manan.
Grassland.
Thank you. Aditi, can you tell me the other names of the grasslands?
Ma'am, wheel
Veld.
in South Africa.
In South Africa, okay. Any other one?
Ma'am, all वो Eurasia in Russia.
Yes, that is steps. उसको pronounce कैसे करना है? Steps. In Russia. ठीक है, उसको हम रशिया की बजाय we can also write Eurasia. Why? Because some part of it comes under a Asia also. ठीक है जी? Thank you, Diti. अक्षित, रेस्ट जो रह गई है बेटे आप बताएंगे. We have also in Australia, we have also in South America. Which are the other ones? Harpita, would you like to tell me the rest ones?
Pampas in South America,
Very
prairies
good.
in North America,
Very
veld
good.
in South Africa, steps in Russia,
Yes.
and
Downs.
downs in Australia.
Yes, downs in Australia. So these are the also the grasslands, and they are called by the another names in the different countries. So the line is also written there. These grasslands are known by the different names in the different parts of the world. ठीक है? If we talk about Russia, there they called it steppes, or we also called it Eurasia. Eurasia means Russia and Asia. ठीक है? वहां पे उसको स्टेप्स बोला जाता है. Then we have a wells in South America. Sorry, Africa. Pampas in South America, prairies in North America, and downs in Australia. Okay, now let's go further. Anvi, can you tell me about the location where the prairie is located?
Yes, ma'am. Can you repeat?
Can you tell me about the location of prairies, Anvi? Where they located?
Ma'am, the prairies are located in the interiors of North America.
Very good. Yes. So how you are going to write? The prairies are located in the interior of the North America. So don't forget to write the word interior. ठीक है? Interior भी आपने लिखना है साथ. Thank you. Drishti, they are surrounded by what? The grasslands are surrounded by a few things in the west and east direction. Can you let me know? They're surrounded by with what? Drishti, you're allowed. You can unmute yourself. Anji.
And they are surrounded by Rocky Mountains in the west, Great Lakes in the east. They stretch from Canada in the north and to Mexico in the south.
Very good. So that is the stretch, the extent, जिसको हम बोलते हैं extent. Extent and stretch meaning is same. ठीक है? वो कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? जो हमारे ये prairies है, कहाँ से कहाँ तक फैले हुए हैं? That is from the Canada in the north and Other one is in the south, we have Mexico. Okay, I hope this is clear. Any doubt?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of vast?
What is the meaning of
Vast.
vast? Bada, vast, large area. So as the class is over, we will meet tomorrow. Till the time, have a good day. Stay home and stay
Bye,
safe.
ma'am.
Okay? Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.